Hi students, this is Shobna ma'am. Today we are going to see Maths video class for you. Okay, let me start students. In this video we are going to see the properties of multiplication of integers. Okay, already you have seen the subtraction of integers and addition of integers. In this video we are going to see properties of multiplication of integer. Okay, in properties of multiplication of integers there are 4 properties are there. See one by one. Okay, first property, closure property. Okay, second one, commutative property. Third one, associative property. And last one, identity. Okay. You have to discuss one by one. Okay, students? Closure property. First, you are going to see closure property. If A and B are integers, already I told you A and B are integer, then A cross B is also integer. If A or B integer and A into B also integer. Okay, for example, they are having 21 into minus 5. You have to consider this is A, this is B. Okay, you have to consider this is A, this is this one. You have to multiply this 21 into minus 5. What else will become? Minus 105. This is also integer. If this is A, this is B. You have to consider A and B. This is two integers. The answer will become minus 105. This is also integer. Puriyudhungalama? You understand? A and B integer irundha A plus B also integer. Okay. Next we are going to see commutative property. The commutative property is nothing but if A and B are integers, then A into B equal to B into A. If A or B integer irundha A into B integer irukkum and B into A integer irukkum. Okay ma? Example parunga. I will consider and A equal to 2, then B equal to minus 4. I will consider this. Okay, 2 into minus 4 equal to minus 4 into 2. This is A, this is B. Minus 4 what? This is B, this is A. Therefore, A into B and B into A. Therefore, 2 into minus 4 what ma? 2 into minus 4 is minus 8. 4 minus 4 into 2 minus 8. Therefore, A and B integer and A into BU and equal to B into A integer irukkum. Okay, understand? Associative property. Okay, in associative property having 3 integers. Okay, 3 integers what are they? If A, B and C are integer, then A into B, you have to open bracket and close bracket. A into B into C equal to A into open bracket. Okay, B into C. Okay, here are having 3 integers. What are them? A, B and C. Okay, first you have to see. I have given the example for you. 5 into minus 4, close bracket having into minus 3 equal to 5 into open bracket minus 4 into minus 3. I will take A for 5. I will take my A equal to 5, B equal to minus 4 and C equal to minus 3. So you have to substitute this number in A, B, C. Okay, first you have to see. You have 5 into minus 4. First you have to multiply. 5 4s are what ma? 5 4s are 20. Okay, you are having minus n. Plus into minus, minus. Already I told you. Plus into plus equal to plus. Plus into minus equal to minus. Minus into minus equal to plus. Minus into plus equal to minus. I already last class I will tell you. Okay, I was telling you no. So minus 20 into you are having what ma? Minus 3. Then 5 into 4 3s are what? 12. Therefore, you are having minus into minus what? What symbol will become? Plus. Okay, therefore you have to 12. You have to write down. Then you have to multiply this. You have to multiply this ma? 20 into minus 3 what ma? Minus 20 into minus 3. You have to multiply and tell me. 0. 3 2s are 6. You are having minus into minus, ones will become. Okay, next 5 2s are 10. remaining ones 5 ones are 5 plus 1 equal to 60. Therefore LHS equal to RHS is true. Therefore the ABC of integer means these properties will be satisfied. Okay, now next we are going to see identity property. The identity property is nothing but if A is an integer, then A into 1 equal to A. Any number you have to multiply with 1, that number will become. Okay, for example you have to see example 2 into 1. Okay, 1 will be here equal to any number you have to multiply with 1 means that number what number will become? 2 will become. எந்த number 1 ஓட multiply பண்ணாலும் நம்ம எந்த number multiply பண்ணா அந்த number தான் இங்க வரும். ஓகேங்களா? 2 into 1 equal to 2. Okay students? Next sum is based on the example sum. Next. ஓகேங்களா? Page number 16. All of you take your book. Page number 16. First sum. Find the value of minus 35 into minus 11. Already a basic class itself I will teach you. Okay, ba? First you have to see minus 35 into minus 11. Okay, first you have to take it right hand side. Okay, right hand side what number there? 1. So you have to multiply with 1 multiply with 2 digit 35. Okay, now 5 into 1, 3 into 1. First you have to multiply this digit. 5 into 1 what ma? 5. 3 ones are 3. Okay, next you have to second digit you take it. You have to multiply this. Okay, this is 1's tens. Okay, already lower section you have learned 1's tens means what. Okay, next you have to multiply 5 ones are first you have to put this star ma 1 digit தள்ளி தான் நீங்க multiply பண்ணி போடணும். Okay, 5 ones are 5, 3 ones are 3. Okay, we are having minus into minus what form is having? Minus into minus means what? It becomes plus. So you have to use minus into minus plus. Okay, now then you have to add it 5 plus 3 8 3. Therefore answer is 385. Okay, let's move to second sum. 96 into minus 20. Okay, 96 into minus 20. First you have to start with right hand side. Ones place. Okay, ones place you have to start with. You have to put this line. Okay, this is easy method ma. You have to put this line. Okay, first you have to any number you have to multiply with 0. Answer what answer will become? 0. Okay, therefore 6 into 0 0. 9 into 0 0. Then next second digit tens place you are having 6 twos are what? 6 twos are 12. So you put 12 means this is ones, this is tens. 2 you have to put in 2 here. Remaining 1 you have to write it. Okay, 6 twos are 12. You have to put 2 here. Remaining 1 here. Okay, then 9 twos are 18. You are having 1 no. 18 plus 1 19. There is no number. You have to multiply this. So you have to take it 2 digit. You have to write on here. Okay, now. Then you have to add it ma. You are adding what ma? Plus into minus. Okay, you have to see this sign. Plus into minus means what? What symbol will become? Plus into minus means minus symbol. So you put minus here. Okay, then you have to add it here. 0 plus 2, any number, add with 0, that number will become there. Therefore 0 plus 2, 2, 9, 1. Therefore answer is minus 1920. Okay. Next we are going to see example 1.18, page number 18 ma. All of you take your book, page number 18, example 1.18. First the problems will be given ma. First you have to see this question. A fruit seller sold 5 kg of mangoes at a profit of rupees 15 per kg. Fruit seller na நம்ம வியாபாரம் பண்றாங்க பாருங்க அவங்க தான். ஓகேங்களா, அவங்க வந்து சோல்ட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. எத்தனை கேஜி மேங்கோஸ்? 5 kg மேங்கோஸ் வந்து சோல்ட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. எவ்வளவு ப்ராஃபிட்ல? ஒரு கேஜிக்கு 15 ரூபீஸ் ப்ராஃபிட் ஆயிருக்கு. ஓகேங்களா, and 3 kg of apple at a loss of 30 per kg. ஆப்பிளும் வாங்கிருக்காங்க, அது லாஸ் ஆயிருக்கு. எவ்வளவு லாஸ் ஆயிருக்கு ஒரு கேஜிக்கு? 30. ஓகேங்களா, 30 ரூபீஸ் கேஜி வந்து லாஸ் ஆயிருக்கு. Find whether it is a profit or loss. நீங்க இதல என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? இது ப்ராஃபிட்டா இருக்கா இல்ல லாஸ் ஆயிருக்கா நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஓகேங்களா, first all of you take your note. Write down exam 1.18 page number 18 ma solution. ஓகேங்களா, the profit of 1 kg of mangoes what ma? Profit of 1 kg mangoes what? 15 rupees சொல்லிருக்கனா? ஒரு கேஜிக்கு வந்து எவ்வளவு ரூபீஸ் வந்து மேங்கோஸ் வந்து ப்ராஃபிட் வந்து 25 remain 2 here, then 1 5 are 5 plus 2 7. Therefore rupees வந்து எவ்வளவு வந்து அவங்க profit இருக்கு மேங்கோஸ்ல rupees 75 rupees அவங்க profit பண்ணிருக்காங்க. ஓகேங்களா? next we are going to see how many apples பார்க்க போறோம். loss எவ்வளவு loss ஆயிருக்கு apples னு பார்க்கலாம். ஓகேங்களா? the loss of 1 kg apples what is the rupees of loss எவ்வளவு loss ஆயிருக்கு rupees 30 rupees. ஓகேங்களா? 1 kg க்கு வந்து எவ்வளவு rupees apple loss ஆயிருக்கு 30 rupees. Okay, the loss of 3 kg of apples means so you have to multiply 30 into 3. The loss of rupees எவ்வளவு தெரியும்ல, so you have to multiply 30 into 3. Therefore rupees எவ்வளவு வந்திருக்கு 90. பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஆப்பிள் மேங்கோஸ் பார்த்தா 75 rupees profit ஆயிருக்கு, லாஸ் ஆனது பாத்தீங்கன்னா 90 rupees லாஸ் ஆயிருக்கு. ஆமாங்களா? இதோட நம்ம ஆப்பிளோட மேங்கோஸ் எல்லாம் மைனஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா எவ்வளவு லாஸ் ஆகுதுன்னு நமக்கு தெரியும்ல, so you have to மைனஸ் பண்ணலாமா? rupees 90 minus 75. What is the loss? What is the loss of rupees ma? 15 rupees plus 15 rupees fruit seller is loss. ஓகேங்களா? Understand? எவ்வளவு rupees அவங்க loss ஆயிருக்கு? 15 rupees loss ஆயிருக்கு. ஓகேங்களா? Okay students, I give homework for you. All of you take a book, page number 21, exercise, page number 21, exercise 1.4. okay 1.4 ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா 4th ரோமன்ல இருக்கு பாருங்க, find the product of ல இருக்கு பாருங்க, find the product of ல இருக்கு பாருங்க. அந்த சம்ல வந்து 5 sums நீங்க போடணும். ஓகேங்களா? எத்தனை சம் இருக்குங்க? 5 sums இருக்கு. உங்களுக்கு தெரியுதுங்களா? கிளியரா தெரியுதுங்களா? தெரியாது, அது வீடியோ இருக்குன்னு தெரியாது. சோ வந்து நீங்க பேஜ் நம்பர் 21 எடுங்க, எக்சர்சைஸ் 1.3 ல 4th sum find the product of இருக்கு, ஒரு 5 sums இருக்கு. அத நீங்க வொர்க் அவுட் பண்ணி மேம் சென்ட் பண்ணுங்க. ஓகேங்களா? டுடே the class is over. If you have any doubt please ask me ma. Okay, take care, bye, see you.